Everybody, and welcome to the Phoenix Zoo. You might be thinking that being an animal trainer right here at the zoo is a pretty cool job. Well, you know what? You're right. We do have some of the best jobs here at the zoo, and we are in charge of everything that goes on to get the animals ready to come see people just like you. We train, we take care of them, we of course do all the feeding and cleaning, and we make sure that they're ready to come out and see you in special shows. My name's Heather. I'm the manager here at the Phoenix Zoo of the Animal Resources Department. That's just a fancy name for saying we're the department that trains most of the animals that you guys see in the daily show. With training Machu, you have to find something that's very rewarding for a vulture. Machu really likes food. With Kumari, she already knows this behavior, but we're doing a little bit of a refresher course. Basically, she's going to come from her release behind the stage out to a couple different rocks and then exit on her own. Another very important thing we do with our animals is getting them accustomed to the stage. Whenever starting a new behavior, you need to do it a few times to get the animal to trust where they're going. So with Altair here, we're making the one box that he's not used to a little bit more rewarding by having some yummy pieces of food in there for him. And we will practice and repeat for quite a long period of time until he is ready and comfortable to go in that other box. Good boy, that was better. Another fun part of our job is getting to come out and see our visitors with our meet and greets. Normally we'll pop up at any time at any location to let you get an up-close look at some of our animal friends. Of course, the most important part about training is having happy, healthy animals. At the Phoenix Zoo, that's our main priority, is making sure that all of our animals are healthy. So husbandry is a fancy word for animal care, and that's what we do every day. Cleaning, feeding, and making sure everybody's happy and healthy. Our Visayan warty pigs are some of the most fun animals to give the behavioral enrichment to. Today, we stuffed some of their produce into a keg, and they have to roll that around to try and get some of the yummy food out of it. You can see that Josh and Wally here are making sure that the pigs will accept being touched so we can check them for any medical problems. And let's face it, who doesn't like a good belly rub? I'm going to show you some of my favorite little kiddos over here. These are some ferrets. We have 5, 4 of which do go out on programs.
They're also super social and playful animals, so we try and give them as much novel and fun toys for them to play with as possible.
We weigh all of the animals in our AR department once a week. Especially for our show animals, they'll often get weighed twice a week in order to really keep track of their weight. They have a 5% weight range that we like them to stay within.
Mac is kind of an interesting little case because although he's a young hedgehog, he's a little bit bigger than most. So every day we like to take him out to get some exercise. You can see Mac is a pretty big hedgehog. He came from large parents, so he's about twice the size of our other hedgehogs.
Curly lives in this little hutch right here. She has 2 castles that we let her hide underneath. But Curly actually is one of our special guinea pigs here at the zoo. We give her a spa treatment once a week where we actually shampoo her and then condition her skin because she has chronic dry skin issues, and that way it keeps it from being so itchy for her all the time.
Right here I have Foley. Foley is one of our domestic rabbits. We use our domestic rabbits here in a lot of programs because it's really easy for children to relate to an animal they've seen before. They have not only a warm inner area, but they also have their nice outdoor runs.
Something else that we need to make sure we do accurately every day is properly feed the animals their diet that is prescribed by our Nutrition Services Department. And make sure all of their dishes are nice and clean and sanitized. Well, I hope that gives you a little bit of an idea of what it takes to be a trainer right here at the Phoenix Zoo. We hope you come back and see us again soon.